Welcome to Learn Cantonese with Talkademy. This is your host, Jasmine, and today we're learning how to ask how others are doing and common responses to that. How are you? More formal. 你好嗎?你好嗎? How are you? More casual. 你點呀?你點呀? I'm good, or I'm fine. 我好好. 我好好. I'm okay, or I'm not bad. 我幾好. 我幾好. I'm tired. 我好攰. 我好攰. I'm busy. 我好忙. 我好忙. I'm happy. 我好開心. 我好開心. I'm not feeling well. 我唔舒服. 我唔舒服. I'm excited. 我好興奮. 我好興奮. I'm hungry. 我好肚餓. 我好肚餓. I'm sleepy. 我好眼瞓. 我好眼瞓. I've been busy lately. 我最近好忙. 我最近好忙. And to ask back politely, you would say, 你呢?你呢? Thanks for watching this video. If you want to take your Cantonese to the next level, check out my Cantonese courses and ebooks on talkacademy.com. See you in the next video.